Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today we will discuss two topics, Bodhisattva Padmapani and Lion Capital of Sarnath. These two topics come under the Unit 3 of Painting Syllabus of Class 10 CBSE. As we know, Lion Capital is nowadays a very controversial topic as our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi unveiled a replica of Lion Capital atop the new Parliament building. So don't go to this controversy and straight go to the topic. So let's start. The Ajanta Caves are in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. It comprises 30 caves situated in horseshoe pattern. The caves includes paintings and sculptures. Among the masterpieces, Bodhisattva Padmapani is an important painting of cave number 1. It is done in fresco technique at about 5th century AD. In this painting, Bodhisattva Padmapani is standing in sublime pose. Description: the Bodhisattva has been shown holding a Padma, that is a lotus, in his right hand. The painting is in Tribhanga with a large shoulder and a narrow waist. Outlines are merged with the body volume, which creates a softness and 3D effect. Bodhisattva is wearing a big crown with his head slightly bent to the left. A triangular tiara in perfect proportion on an oval face, showing just a thin line of hair on the forehead. Downcast lotus-shaped eyes that are half closed. A full and sensuous lower lip. Neat bow-shaped eyebrows. Chiseled nose. White color has been used to show its shape. The arms are a little awkward and two arms look a little different. This is because, as per the canonical of Indian sculpture or Shilpa Shastras, the Mahapurusha or the great men are supposed to have arms that look like elephant trunks. Arms are also supposed to be long enough to reach their knees. Fingers are long and tapering. An ekavali or a single pearl string around the neck with a blue sapphire in the middle. The pearls become smaller as they go around. The thread over the torso is shown with fine lines indicating its dimension. Light red, brown, blue and green colors are basically used. Bodhisattva is surrounded by small figures. This is the picture of Bodhisattva Padmapani of cave number 1 of Ajanta of Maharashtra. Next topic, Lion Capital of Sarnath. It is a sculpture of 4 lions standing back to back on an abacus. The capital was made in sandstone and was heavily polished, which is a typical of the Mauryan period. Circa 3rd century BC, Dynasty Mauryan collection, Sarnath Museum, Uttar Pradesh. Description: it is one of the finest examples of sculptures from Mauryan period and was built by Ashoka in commemoration of Dharmachakra Pravartana, or the first sermon of Buddha. Originally, it consists of 5 components: the pillar shaft, the lotus bell or base, a drum on the bell base with 4 animals proceeding clockwise, figure of 4 majestic addorsed back-to-back lions, the crowning element Dharmachakra. Dharmachakra, the 5th component, a large wheel, was also a part of this pillar. However, this wheel is lying in broken condition and is displayed in the site museum of Sarnath. The capital has 4 Asiatic lions seated back to back, and their facial muscularity is very strong. They symbolize power, courage, pride, and confidence. The surface of the sculpture is heavily polished, which is a typical of the Mauryan period. Abacus, drum on the bell base, has the depiction of a chakra, that is a wheel, in all 4 directions, and a bull, a horse, an elephant, and a lion between every chakra. Each chakra has 24 spokes in it. This 24-spoke chakra is adopted to the national flag of India. The circular abacus is supported by an inverted lotus capital. The capital without the shaft, the lotus bell, and the crowning wheel has been adopted as the national emblem of independent India. The left-hand side picture shows the lion capital of Ashoka in Sarnath. The picture at the right-hand side shows the approximate reconstitution with wheel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put it out at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.